Good morning, honey bunny. Hi. How are you? Oh, nice the head. Why you turning your head on mommy, huh? Rylie? Why you turning your head? You just want to sleep more, huh? You still tired? Yeah? Okay, you can stay in bed. It's not a nice day today, though. It's kind of yucky out. So probably just going to be staying in. Probably no playing with your ball outside. No, we can't. If it's raining, the grass is all wet. It's not a good idea. But if it gets nicer later, maybe we can. Okay? Are you okay with that? Maybe we can go downstairs and play with your toys. Oh, there you are. There's the stretch. There's my girl. What are you doing? Oh, she's looking for her dental chew. Where's this thing? Huh? Are you looking for your dental chew, baby girl? Huh? Oops. You looking for your dental chew? You want to play? So right now, Rylie only has, now it's up to 4. They're literally all gone. She's staring right at it. Oh, ooh. Rylie, you turning your back on me because you're chewing your dental chew? Well, we want to say happy Thursday. Now that Rylie's chewing her dental chew, so she actually does chew them. So I think that most of them are gone, and Mommy never realized it. That she actually does chew and she doesn't just play with them. So Rylie just had breakfast, and we know that it's yucky out. So like I told her before, we can't go out and play, but she can play with her toys. Oh, and she's choosing Hermie. Is Hermie your favorite now? Huh? You are such a silly girl. We see Rosie over there. And there's the 2 lamb chops, Daisy. And Rylie seems to be playing with Hermie again. Rylie is totally surprising me. Guess she's giving all her little babies all her loving, huh? Playing with Hermie, huh? Are you playing with Hermie? Do you want Mommy to throw her? Oh, okay, hold on. There you go. There you go. Of course, Hermie, I think he's actually the loudest out of all our toys. That's why Rosie is really good, because she doesn't make any noises. Oh, there's the lovin'. Huh, baby girl? Do you want to play with something else? Huh? There's the dental chew. Go on, go play. Who else? Oh, I guess it's a Hermie day. It's a Hermie day? Rylie. She loves kissing her babies, apparently. Huh? Do you want to bring me lamb chop? You want to play with lamb chop? No? All right, I guess you're done. Are you done playing? Where are you going? Nope. I think she's done. You done? Oh, you got to say hi to Mommy, huh? All right, well, we want to wish you an absolutely beautiful Thursday. We hope the weather is nice for everyone. We're having, like I said, yucky weather. But don't forget, Rylie loves you.